Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Discord on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for the word Discord in the Microsoft Store search bar. The first option is Discord, the one with the 4.2 rating, and it has more than 11,000 ratings here. So it means that this is the genuine software. All you need to do is click on install and it will start installing Discord. Now, this is the easiest method, the quickest method, and the one which will push no malware. The other method is to open Microsoft Edge and search for Discord in its search bar and hit enter and then use the word download, succeeding it. It gives a download button here, but you should not click on the install on Windows button because that's done through Microsoft Store. Select the second one and click on on download, and then it takes you to the Discord website. You can click on download for Windows and it will start downloading and installing Discord on your system. Though it has already been installed through the Microsoft Store, but you could click on the exe file to install it. After this, search for Discord in the Windows search bar and open Discord, and it will start checking for updates because it will update the software before anything else. This is a policy of Discord to keep you in line with the online server version. And once it has downloaded the updates, it will give you the option to log into Discord using your credentials. Let us wait till it updates. And now it will launch. Okay, it's starting now. Here, Discord has been launched. It will redirect you to the website because that's where you're going to log into your account from. You can log in using a QR code if you have Discord installed on your mobile phone, or else you can enter your email ID and the password and then click on login. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.